Ever woken up in the middle of the night with a sudden, excruciating leg cramp? Or maybe you felt your legs getting weaker and more fatigued than usual. You're not alone. Weak legs and painful cramps could be a sign that your body is desperately lacking key vitamins and minerals. But don't worry, because today we're revealing the top vitamins that doctors recommend to strengthen your legs and stop cramps for good. Stick around until the end to find out how to fix this naturally. John, a 52-year-old man, had always been active. He enjoyed his morning walks, playing with his grandkids, and doing small projects around the house. But recently, something changed. One evening, as he sat down to watch TV, he realized something strange. His legs felt unusually weak. When he tried to stand, it was a struggle. His legs wobbled beneath him, and he had to grab onto the armrest for support. Walking up the stairs felt like climbing a mountain, and even standing for long periods became exhausting. Worried, John visited his doctor, who told him something surprising. His weakness wasn't just a sign of aging. It was a nutritional deficiency. The good news? It could be fixed. His doctor recommended specific vitamins and minerals to strengthen his legs and stop the cramps. And today, we're going to share them with you. If you want to feel strong, energized, and free from those annoying muscle cramps, then this video is for you. But before we dive in, let me ask, have you ever wondered why your legs feel so weak or cramp up suddenly? What if the solution was as simple as fixing a vitamin deficiency? Well, today I'll share the exact vitamins your body needs to keep your legs strong and cramp-free. Let's get started. Magnesium, the ultimate muscle relaxer. Did you know that magnesium is one of the most common deficiencies linked to muscle cramps? This powerful mineral helps muscles relax and contract properly, preventing those sudden, painful cramps. Studies show that increasing your magnesium intake can significantly reduce leg cramps, especially at night. Eat more magnesium-rich foods like spinach, almonds, and bananas, or take a magnesium supplement before bed. Potassium, your muscle's best friend. Ever heard that eating a banana can help with cramps? That's because bananas are packed with potassium, a vital electrolyte that prevents muscle weakness and cramping. Low potassium levels can cause your legs to feel weak and shaky, making daily activities harder than they should be. Load up on potassium-rich foods like avocados, sweet potatoes, and oranges. Vitamin D, the bone and muscle strengthener. If your legs constantly feel weak, your body might be begging for more vitamin D. This sunshine vitamin plays a crucial role in muscle function and bone strength. Deficiency can lead to muscle pain, weakness, and even an increased risk of falls, especially in older adults. Get at least 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight daily, eat fatty fish like salmon, or consider a vitamin D supplement. Calcium, the muscle and nerve communicator. Most people think of calcium for strong bones, but did you know it's just as important for muscle contractions? Without enough calcium, your nerves and muscles struggle to communicate, leading to spasms and cramps. Dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified plant-based milk are great sources of calcium. B vitamins, the energy boosters. Feeling weak and fatigued? B vitamins, especially B12 and B6, play a key role in nerve function and red blood cell production, helping oxygen reach your muscles efficiently. A deficiency can lead to muscle weakness and numbness in the legs. Include eggs, lean meats, whole grains, and nuts in your diet for a natural energy boost. Which of these vitamins do you already include in your diet? Drop a flexed biceps in the comments if you're ready to strengthen your legs. But before you go, don't forget that what you avoid is just as important as what you consume. Some foods actually worsen muscle cramps and weaken your legs, and you might be eating them daily. Watch this next video to discover the top foods to improve leg circulation and reduce swelling.